04124. You owe me 3 feet when you pass, sir, and a turn signal. You passed me well within 3 feet. You're required to give me 3 feet and a turn signal. I'm allowed to ride in the street, sir, and you have to obey the law, especially when you're in a vehicle representing this city. Did you take a driver's license test? Did you? I assume so, since you're employed to drive this vehicle, so you know that you have to give me 3 feet, and you know you have to use the turn signal when passing another vehicle.
But are you qualified to drive between cars?
Yeah, absolutely. It's perfectly legal. Yeah. Yeah, because I'm not in between the lanes. I'm in one lane or the other lane at all times.
So, is that illegal?
No, it's perfectly legal.
Okay, that's kind of dangerous.
It's only dangerous because people like you behave illegally and dangerously.
People like me?
Yes, people who drive illegally. People who do not know or follow the laws that govern this deadly transportation. I would appreciate an apology and a pledge to do better in the future, given that you are currently representing the city in which I live. I guess your pride prevents you from doing that, even though you know you fucked up.
Oh, are you cursing at me?
No, I was just characterizing your behavior as a fuck up. That's illegal.
My car.
That's illegal.
But what you're doing is dangerous.
Now, how much time did you save by endangering my life and breaking the law?
Excuse me.
I'm sorry, you just hit me with your vehicle. That's illegal. You need to pull over and give me your license and insurance information.
I sure will.
All right. Alpha Kilo Hotel 596. Doesn't look like they... Opening the door into a path of a cyclist is illegal and highly dangerous, and doing it on purpose is assault.
In a lane?
I'm allowed to be in the lane next to you.
You weren't in the lane.
I was.
There was a car beside me in the lane.
Yes, and I was in your lane.
No, you just said you were beside me.
Yes, I was in the lane beside you.
Same lane.
Yes, I certainly may.
You can be in the same lane.
Yes.
Between cars.
Same as how you can pass me in the same lane if there's room to give me the 3 feet that you must give under Minnesota law. Do you have the information I requested after you struck my vehicle with yours?
Yeah, I'm calling the police now.
What are you calling them about?
It's because they'll get the information from me that they need.
That's not what's required under Minnesota law. You have to give that to the party that was struck.
We'll deal with that when they get here.
What are you going to tell them? That you struck someone intentionally? Cedar. 16th? Something like that.
I have a gentleman here that has been riding his bicycle down the middle of the lane, harassing people, and is being very dangerous to the people that are driving on the street. He's on a bicycle. I'm pulled over now because I opened my door to ask him to get off in between the cars because he's being dangerous. And he asked me to pull over to give him my information. So I would like for an officer to come and take this information. This guy's being dangerous. That's not damage to the property. But what he was doing, there was a car that was beside him, a city truck that was beside him. And as we're pulling up to the stoplight, I'm in Woodland, the city truck driver is in the next lane beside me. This gentleman keeps pulling between the vehicles. I mean, there's not a lot of room on the street. There's 2 lanes. The gentleman keeps pulling between the I know this gentleman has a right to be in the light of the sunlight, but he was driving. There was a car, a truck that was beside him, and every time we would pull up to the stoplight, it would come through the rest of the street. I opened my door. I'm my husband. My window is stuck in my truck, so I'm forgetting I'm not in my truck. So I open the door and I tell him, I say, that's dangerous. So the light turns green. I go to close my door, and he pulls up to my face tire, preventing me from closing my door. Rush hour traffic. So I'm trying to close the door. I finally, I hit his bike and I close the door. When I hit his bike, he tells me that that's illegal, and that he wants my information. He wants me to pull over because I'm in traffic and I'm driving. He's reciting, rights. This is illegal and that's illegal. So I'm like, okay, I'm going to pull over. The last thing I want, this guy is saying this is illegal and that's illegal, and I'm driving, drive off, and then, him to say, well, she left the scene of an accident. So I apologize for having to call, but I just want to cover myself because what he was doing is dangerous.
So the city vehicle passed me illegally.
Here's your ID.
Thank you much.
I don't have a blue card
That's
on me.
okay.
I forgot it. So here's the case number for the whole incident.
Okay.
Here's our badge numbers. So if there's any damage to your bike or anything, go to the station, get an accident report.
Okay.
This is the case number. Her information's in the call. Your information is in the call.
Okay.
The officer at the desk will be able to assist you with.
Doesn't
some
matter which
paperwork.
state, which precinct I can go to. Okay.
Doesn't matter.
Much appreciated.
All right.
Thank you much.